Here we go. Oh my goodness. I can't see a damn thing. Alright, so my mom sent me out to get milk and eggs. I'm just joking, But I literally can't see nothing. Oh man, this is gonna scare me. Oh my gosh, you can't see nothing. What am I driving on? Where am I going? Snow day. Oh my gosh, dude, there is nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing. Oh, there I go. I hit the curb sideways. Curbs are nasty buggers. Surprised the bike didn't die. Woo! Nice soft landing though. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's not moving. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, I almost killed it. Oh, that's badass. Woo! That was awesome. Dude, this is fucking awesome. See that sick drift I was doing? Oh yeah, dude. I got it all on video. Woo. Oh, right in the face. You find a chair? Hey, heads, guess what? Let's go to Chick-fil-A. What? Let's go to Chick-fil-A. Okay. Oh my god, he wiped out. Ah, I'm going towards the freaking snow. My eyes. I can't fucking see. Ah, shit. Are you okay? Oh my god! You just broke your clutch! Not even 5 seconds on the pavement!
It was such a slow motion fall.
I need to get gas.
What?
I need to get gas.
Well, get some gas.
Yeah, I'll go get some gas.
Yeah, obviously I can't ride on this, so.
What?
Obviously I can't ride on this.
Yeah.
As soon as I went over that, it was just slow motion.
Excuses, excuses. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. Bingo. Alright, we got gas. Our friend wiped out, broke his clutch lever, but it's all good. Zero turn radius. How do you do that? Ah. I need to calm down. Doing wheelies in the snow and shit. I mean, we could help. Huh? I said we could help.
I think that's Andre's name.
Probably. Hey, let's go help. They're stuck, huh?
Alright, go ahead.
Oh. Okay. Keep it rocking. Oh, come on, there we go.
Right there.
Woo. You're welcome. Be safe. Hey, thanks. Yeah. I'm fucking tired.
Huh?
Said I'm tired.
Me too. You still blinking?
Alright, cool. Yeah, you still blinking? You still blinking? Motherfucker. Woo. How do I stop? Ah! Yeah, I know, I saw it. I think I got it on video.
I was trying to put my leg down.
Woo. Let's go through the Freddy's drive-thru.
What?
Let's go through the Freddy's drive-thru. Hello, can I get a #1 with a root beer? And can I swap my fries out for chili cheese fries, please? Thank you. All right, I'll be at the window. Chili cheese fries? Oh yeah, bussin'. Looks like they're closed. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Woo! 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 Yeah, dog. It's so bright, it hurts my eyes. Oh, it's dirty. Ah. Oh, you can't even tell the difference in the hill or not. It's just like death. Woo! I killed it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ow! I got smacked in the face with everything. Yeah, it is. It's fun. It is getting bad out though.
Yeah.
I think I might head home. Yeah. Alright, brother, dap me up. That was a nice little ride. Little winter ride. Let's see if I can make it back alive.